how can you fix this problem on your Shortmax app? So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this is here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Shortmax app, or just click on search here. Then here at Shortmax, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is here. Click here on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store. Then here you search here for Shortmax. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.